Hi guys, for this video I'm going to teach you about variables and list. So a variable is just a container that you can store numbers in. So let's go make our own variable. Let's name it score. And now let's say every time the sprite is clicked, I would like it to add 1 to our score. So we're going to say, okay, well, let's set our variable to score to 0, but that's just going to set to 0 every single time. But what if we do 1? It's just going to be infinitely stuck at 1. So we're going to actually use the operators. So we're going to need to add 1 to our current score. So every time the sprite is clicked, it adds 1. You even can get it to subtract or divide or do a bunch of other things, but it's most easy so you can keep score of you can make a game and keep score of how many times you cross the finish line, things like that. So then I'm going to talk about list. So list is where you can store a bunch of different things in it. So it's kind of like a to-do list. Like you can check things off and add and take them on or off, stuff like that. So let's name it sprites. And we're going to add some random sprites. We get a food dish. Let's see what other ones we can do. Check mark, bananas. So we're going to have a bunch of different sprites. I'm going to take off the check mark so we don't quite that. Okay, so we have 3 sprites. So when this sprite is clicked, we want to try and add to the list. So we're going to say, okay, when this is clicked, which is cat is clicked, I want you to add cat to the list. So look it adds cat. And it won't take it off, but you can keep adding a bunch more cats on there. So let's add fruit platter. I'm going to say, okay, when our sprite is clicked, we are going to add fruit to the list. Now, if you go look at the bottom and add fruit. So if there were certain things that you want to add to a list and make them do them at the same time, this is a way you could do that. You could add them to the list and you could make them like go, oh, move cat, move cat, move cat. Oh, move fruit instead to go through the entire length of the list. Let's add bananas. So when it's clicked, we are going to want it to add bananas to the list. So now that's bananas. You can add cat, fruit, bananas. So you can do certain things with that list, make things occur in that order that you clicked them. So that's all for now. I'm going to have you guys go experiment with variables and lists.